Hello everyone, I created this video in a few hours using AI tools.
I am Daniel, a servant of the Most High God. For many years, I faithfully served the kings of Babylon, staying true to my beliefs. Courtiers envied my favor with the king. They plotted to ruin me by exploiting my loyalty to my God. In a dark room, gathered around a large table, they schemed a devious plan.
Daniel has gained too much power and influence. We need to find a way to destroy him. We know how loyal he is to his god. Let's use that against him.
The courtiers convinced King Darius to make a law that banned praying to any god or person except the king for 30 days.
I cannot stop praying to my God. His faithfulness is greater than my fear of death.
The courtiers saw Daniel praying.
Look, he's praying. We need to inform the king. My king, Daniel has broken your decree. He prayed to his God, not to you.
Daniel, that can't be true, but I have to follow my law, even though it hurts.
Leave me alone. Why are you doing this to me? My king, where are you? Oh no.
May your God, whom you serve so faithfully, rescue you, Daniel.
At night, an angel visited Daniel in the cave.
My God sent his angel to shut the lions' mouths. My faith in him saved me.
In the morning, King Darius walked through the forest to find out what happened to Daniel.
Daniel, did your God save you?
Yes, King. My God sent his angel and shut the lions' mouths.
King Darius ordered that those who plotted against Daniel be thrown into the lion's den.
Those traitors will regret what they did. Throw them into the lion's den.
He also made a law that everyone in his kingdom must respect Daniel's God.
My faith in God saved me. His power is greater than any plot or fear.
Alright guys, in this video, I will show you step by step how you can create a similar video using AI. The first thing we need is a script. I have prepared a special prompt that automatically generates biblical stories, and I will leave it in the description. However, you can modify this prompt to use it for any kind of story. It doesn't have to be from the Bible. When our script is ready, we need to create consistent characters for animation. To do this, we open ChatGPT, go to the Explore GPTs tab, and type character in the search bar. Select Consistent Character GPT from the list and click Start Chat. In my film about Daniel and the Lion's Den, there are 3 main characters: Daniel, the deceitful courtier, and King Darius. So I right-click on the application and open it twice in New Windows. Now I have 3 tabs to create each character separately. Now just click the Start button and simply answer the questions asked by ChatGPT. You guys are really smart, so I don't need to explain this in detail. Let's now look at my chat where I created the character of Daniel. Since I'm using ChatGPT Plus, I generated images directly within ChatGPT. As you can see, I selected the gender, name, and description. Biblical Daniel, age 30, in a Pixar style. Then I inserted a prompt copied from an earlier generated story about Daniel and the Lion's Den, which said, "A group of courtiers stands in the corner of the hall, whispering among themselves and casting sideways glances at Daniel. One of them points at Daniel with envy in his eyes." Next, I pasted another prompt that said, "Daniel stands confidently before King Darius. The courtiers are gathered around, some looking at Daniel with envy." I've downloaded both images and taken them to Lumilab's Dream Machine, where all the magic will happen. Now I'm adding both images to create an animation blending them together. I'm using the prompt, Daniel standing confidently before King Darius with courtiers gathered around. Here's how our animation looks. As you can see, there was a problem with the head movement looking unnatural, so I cut out the best part and used it in my film. I used the same method to create all the animations. If I didn't need to blend scenes together, I simply used one picture and a prompt. Animations from one picture also look very good. When all animations were ready, I went to 11 Labs, then chose the Characters and Animation tab, and selected voices for the 3 main characters in my film. Next, I visited Epidemic Sound's website where I download music and sound effects. The final step was to bring everything together using CapCut. Since editing such a film only requires basic skills in CapCut, I skipped this step. If you're a beginner, simply search for CapCut tutorial on YouTube. I'm sure you'll master it in just a few hours. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. I'll respond to each one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
Lately, this type of avatar has been going viral everywhere. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a talking AI avatar like this one. And the best part is that it's surprisingly simple and completely free. Let's get started. The first thing we need is an avatar for your video. There are multiple tools available to generate the avatar. You can use Midjourney, Leonardo AI, Lexica Art, or any other image generation tool. I am going to use Fooocus. It's completely free and easy to install. I will provide a link to download it in the description. I have created a prompt which you can use to generate the avatar. Of course, change the prompt to your liking. This prompt should work well in any image generator. Now, change the image number to 10 so you have more images to choose from. Then click on Generate. Give it a minute, and you'll have 10 unique images to choose from. I'm going to select this one right here. I am going to create and upload 50 avatars to a Google Drive folder so you can download and use any of those for free without the need for generating them. I made this, so it's easier for you to follow along. The link for the download is in the description. Before continuing, please subscribe and like the video to support me. It helps me a lot. Now let's focus on a crucial step, removing the mouth from the avatar. To do this, we are going to use Photo-P. Drop your avatar, select the spot healing brush tool in the left section, zoom in on the mouth, and erase the mouth. Do it as many times as needed. It's time to export your image. Go to File in the top left corner of Photo-P, select Export As, then choose the PNG file format. Name your file and click Save. Now, let's bring the avatar to life using an editing program. I highly recommend CapCut for its user-friendliness and the fact that it's free. First, import the mouth video and the avatar mouthless, drag them to the timeline with the mouth over the avatar, move the time bar to the 10-second mark, and crop the mouth video and extend the avatar. I will upload some mouth videos so you can download them. Now select the mouth green screen, then click on Remove BG. Enable Chroma Key, and using the color picker, select the green screen. Increase the intensity to 100 and the shadow to 50. To make it easier to work, increase the player size, rescale the mouth video, and position it where you think it will look good. It's a good idea to play the video to see if you liked it or if it needs further adjustments. The avatar is ready, but let's make it better. For a better experience, you can add effects. Search for the word spark in the effects section. Find the gold sparkles and drag it to the timeline. Reduce the atmosphere to 42 and make it last 10 seconds. For the second effect, search for spectrum, drag it to the timeline and add it twice. I think this effect looks great. Now, for the last effect, search for edge glow, drag it to the top so all the lights in our scene seem more alive. Reduce the glow to 5 so it's not so intense. Review the footage. Awesome. Now export it. Let's take a look at the final result. You can use this method to create faceless videos. I'm constantly exploring new ways to monetize AI-generated content. So if you're interested in more videos like this, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.